For re-caulking a bathtub or shower, use a high-quality silicone formulated specifically for kitchens and baths for long-lasting mold-resistant seals. Choose a premium 100% silicone labeled for kitchen and bath use because it remains flexible, resists mildew, and adheres well to ceramic, porcelain, and fiberglass. Look for products that advertise a lifetime warranty or long-term mold resistance, and read the technical data sheet for cure time and adhesion properties before buying. Prepare the joint by removing all old caulk with a razor or a dedicated caulk remover, then clean with a mildew remover and rinse thoroughly, allowing the area to fully dry for at least 24 hours if possible. Use painter tape to mask straight edges and cut the tip of the cartridge at a 45-degree angle about 1/4 inch from the tip for typical joints. Adjust size for larger gaps. And apply steady pressure on the caulk gun while moving at a consistent speed. Tool the bead with a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool within the product's skin time to create smooth contact between surfaces and to force out trapped air. Wiping excess with a rag dampened in mineral spirits only if the product allows it. Allow the joint to cure fully per the manufacturer, often 24 to 48 hours for shower contact and up to 72 hours before heavy water exposure for optimal durability. Common mistakes include using a cheap generic silicone that lacks mold inhibitors, which causes early discoloration and peeling, and the fix is to choose a reputable kitchen and bath silicone like GE Supreme Silicone or an equivalent labeled lifetime mold-free option. Another problem is poor surface preparation, where residue or moisture prevents adhesion, so always remove old caulk, scrub with a mildew cleaner, rinse, and dry thoroughly before re-caulking. People often rush tooling and do not finish the bead within the skin time, which leads to uneven joints and trapped gaps. So work in manageable sections, tool immediately, and keep a bucket of clean water or a recommended solvent handy to clean tooling tools between passes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real experiences, tips, and photos about projects like bathroom re-caulking. We help contractors find work by allowing them to participate in conversations and showcase their knowledge to nearby homeowners.